चलो start.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashish Shrivastava. With my co-presentative Neelu Gupta, Dolly Singhal, and Nazim Ali, we are here to presentation on the topic job description of HR manager, general marketing manager, and defense manager. Now, from here, Neelu Gupta will continue.
Slide change. HR manager, a person who is in charge of the development that deals with the employees, training, supports, records, etc. of a company employees. The job of HR manager is important to a business success. People are our most important assets that you will be one of. We have a happy and production workplace where everyone works to relative our established mission and objective. Next slide. Recommendations. Working experience as HR manager or other HR institutions. Knowledge of HR system and database. Ability to nutrition established along with leadership skills, excellent in active listening, negotiation and presentation skills, compassion to build and effecting manage interpersonal relation at all level of companies. Let's job responsibility, handling recommendations process. She and he is responsibility for recommendations employees who can involve their skills, abilities in the overall development of the companies. Next slides. Organization structure and planning. Responsibility of HR manager is an organization is to build an organization structure that depends very statistic to meet the goals of the organization and contributing their support to all the development of their companies. Third, build up policy and maintain them. HR manager responsibility and duties are to be infused the government HR policy in their organization, HR policy and keep reviews policy of the better performance of employee recommendations and evaluations. It is a HR manager, human resource manager key tasks to reduce their employees, avoids them for their performance and contribution to the organization. They encourage employees to performance well. Further slide continue by Ash.
Job identifications come first in HR manager's format, which contains title of job, responsible to. In this, you write about your responsibilities, the department, directorate. Second is job purpose. In this, one should write about the core functions and role of HR manager in around 40 words. Role of department. Use this section to describe the function of the department and its border function within NHS-GGC. You should provide detailed information on the department, patients, range, staff, numbers, aims, and objectives, and provides detailed information on the directorate, CGCP, CHP, regional service in which it sites. Fourth is organizational position. Insert the appropriate organization chart for the role here. 5 is scope is and range. Use this section to describe the scope and range of responsibility for both the service and the role. 6th is main task, duties and responsibilities. Use this section to list all the duties and responsibilities specific to the role in order of priority or frequency, with the most important or most frequent duties and responsibility first. It may be useful to group these using headings. 7th is equipment and machinery. Use this section to list all the equipment and machinery the post holder will be required to use, specify the competency level and the skill required. Last is systems. So next slide, general manager marketing. So what is general manager marketing? Marketing managers develop strategic marketing plans for a company and then oversee the implementation and execution of the various efforts associated with the marketing plan. Their day-to-day tasks include managing and coordinating marketing and creating staff. Next slide. please. So, requirements: bachelor degree or master degree is in marketing, business administration, experience with creating a marketing campaign, marketing strategy, and marketing plan, experience with online marketing, including social media and content marketing, understanding of public relations, advanced communication skills, and the last is ability to quickly adapt to change. Next slide, please. So, job responsibility, brand management. Developing a good relationship with target markets is essential for brand management. Second is customer service strategy. It is the responsibility of manager to identify the need of the customer and market through market research, satisfaction surveys, and then plot the service strategy accordingly. Third is managing customer service. It is a job of manager to check the customer service, as it is important that organization remain very good at attracting, satisfying, and retaining customers. Don't keep them waiting. Use technology to manage the flow. Keep employees satisfied. And fourth is promote the product. Once your business is up and running, it's time to find ways to market your products. You should make strategies to promote the product in a creating way by advertising, offering schemes, and that it can attract the customers. Is always good to find more ways to promote your products. Understanding current and potential customers, it is one of the main responsibility of general manager marketing, because understanding customer is the key of giving them good services that can help business better understand current and potential customers. So last one is customer relationship management. Customer relationship management includes various strategies and techniques to maintain healthy relationship with the organizations, existing as well as potential customers within the with the company, improves the business relationship with the customers. So now from here, Dolly Single will continue.
So here is the job description of general manager marketing. In this description, first comes job title. What is the job title of the employee? Work location, in which location he has to work. Third, division या department, किस department में वो job करने वाला है. Reports to, for whom he has to report his issues or anything else. Full time or part time. What was his job time? It is full time. Either it is full time or part time. Essential duties and responsibilities. What are being the duties and responsibilities of the manager? Education and education or work experience requirements. What was his education? What was his work experience requirements? And it matters a lot when you apply for the general manager marketing post. Physical requirements. Either he is physical fit or not. So physical requirements are very necessary for the job description template. Print employee name. What was the employee's name and his signature. Now, it is further slides will be explained by Nazim.
Now, after the job description of two employees, now we have to get the job description of the defense officer. So, defense officer are the managers of the military world. They lead others to define their country and to support international peacekeeping and humanitarian efforts across the globe. Officers are employed by the Ministry of Defense in Army, Royal Air Force, Royal Navy, Royal Marines. Following initial cadet training and further training within their specified field, officers are given considerable responsibility and can be posted at military locations at home or abroad. Now come the requirements. There are routes into becoming an armed forces officers for both graduates and school leavers. Both can apply for the defense officer, like school leavers and graduates. If you are graduate, you can enroll as an officer with a degree in any subject. However, recruitment tends to place more importance on candidates' leadership capabilities and suitability to a life in service than their degree subject. It is not essential to be a particular subject. there can be any subject for the defense officer. You will be need to take a part in several days of interviews and tests designed to test you both physically and mentally. There would be test physically or mentally, both we have to qualify. Then comes, you will also have a medical assessment as a part of recruitment process. A person should be totally fit and his medical assessment is done. You will be tested on your ability to think calmly and logically under pressure. Like the pilots in the jet planes, this type of test is done for the pressure. You will be expected to have some knowledge of past and present military operations as well as basic grasp of ethical debates surrounding welfare. With some expectation, you must be below 26 years old. You must have strong and colors perception. A person should be enough strong and he should be able to see the colors. Now comes the job responsibility. Commanding, training, and leading others. A person has to command, to train, and to lead others. Monitoring the welfare and progress of new recruitments. A person has to monitor the welfare and he also has to see the new recruitments. Then comes the operating and maintaining welfare system, equipments and vehicles. A person should be known with skills of operating the vehicles, equipments and the other welfare systems. Then comes the taking the specialist duties and skills such as engineering, training, and administration. A person should be well known with the skills of engineering, training, and administrations. Distributing, then comes the distributing equipments, resources, and manpower. Now, officers face dangerous and sometimes life-threatening situations under immense pressure. The soldier heavy responsibility not just for their own lives, but for the lives of their subordinates as well.